Want to turn scattered Excel sheets into one powerful dynamic dashboard? Let's consolidate your sales data like a pro. Welcome to Excel Powerhouse, where Excel skills turn into real-world solutions. Today, we're learning how to consolidate quarterly product sales data from 4 different sheets into one dynamic summary sheet using the Consolidate tool in Excel. Let's get started. First, insert a new sheet in your Excel file. Name it something like Consolidated Data for clarity. Now go to the Data tab in the ribbon. Click on Consolidate. This will open the Consolidate dialog box. In the function drop-down, select Sum, since we want to total up our sales. Next, click inside the reference box and then switch to your first quarter sheet. Select the full range of your sales data, including headers. Click Add to add this reference. Repeat the same steps for the second, third, and fourth quarter sheets, selecting the data and clicking Add each time. Before clicking OK, make sure to check all 3 boxes below. Top row, left column, create links to source data. Now hit OK. Just like that, your quarterly sales data is now consolidated into one powerful sheet. And here's the magic. If you update any value in the original quarterly sheets, it gets automatically updated in the consolidated sheet too. If this helped you supercharge your Excel game, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Excel Powerhouse. Drop a comment below if you want a downloadable Excel file to practice this trick.